This is a status update after week 3 of development of my racing game. There's a new menu for choosing whether each player is a human or an AI. I'm going to show you me racing against an AI player. Getting the AI working was my goal for this week. Right now it shows the same camera view for the AI players that it would for a human player. I'm on the top half and the AI is on the bottom half. You'll notice right away that the AI isn't exactly good at driving, but it does make forward progress at least. It makes use of Unity's NavMesh and NavMesh agent features. However, I implemented the steering myself rather than letting the NavMesh agent control it. The reason I did that is if the NavMesh agent is controlling the motion, it doesn't move in the same way that the human players do. So I only used the NavMesh agent to provide the coordinates of the steering target. Those coordinates are the input to my steering algorithm. The outputs of the algorithm are the control inputs for the vehicle in the same form that a human would provide them via the gamepad. The steering algorithm itself is very simple. It first tries to point the vehicle at the target by turning only. Once it's pointed in the right direction, it goes full speed ahead, while making smaller corrections to its orientation. One problem is that it doesn't do any braking, so it always overshoots its target. That's why you see it running into walls at the turns. Also, it wants to hit its target precisely, so if it misses, it turns around and tries again, rather than continuing along the course. Despite those problems, it's able to reliably complete the course without getting stuck. But those problems would need to be fixed before it could compete with a human. Its time to complete the course is usually about 50% slower than that of a human. Unfortunately, I ran out of time for further improvements. Next week I'm going to add boost pads and an item that you can pick up and use. I'm not sure exactly what the item will be yet.